Cybersecurity can be complicated, but we've made it simple. Introducing Defence.com, the innovative way to manage your cybersecurity, including everything your business needs to easily tackle new and existing threats. Businesses of all sizes are regularly targeted by hackers, yet cybersecurity slides down the priority list. That's where Defence.com comes in. From a single platform, your business can easily manage the 4 main areas of cybersecurity. It starts with detection, so you can quickly identify risks and understand your threat landscape. Then, protection, through innovative tools to add security to all aspects of your business. There's training, so your staff have the practical knowledge to defend against opportunistic attacks. And compliance, creating a security by design culture to make data protection policies and procedures a breeze. It's got all the security solutions Fortune 500 businesses use, but it's simple, effective, and affordable. You don't need to be a cybersecurity expert. Leave that to us, because we're here whenever you need us. Your cybersecurity has never been in safer hands. Keeping your business secure is vital to your growth and success, so start protecting it today. Defence.com. Sign up for your free trial now.